What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now in today's video we have the front protection film by Samsung for the Z, for the Z, the Z, whatever you want to call it, for the Fold 4. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at what you get in the box and we'll get it fitted to the Fold 4 and see just how good it is. Now obviously it's a film. There's plenty of companies out there who do the tempered glass ones. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we should be getting them in soon, so I should have another video coming with tempered glass instead. But for now, we got the film. I want to get this fitted because I want to make sure that front screen is fully protected. So let's go ahead, let's get this open. Now it is only cheap at the minute, it's on offer. There's plenty of offers on the Samsung website right now. It's where you can pick up most of this stuff for yourself. I believe this was £9 at the minute on Samsung's website. So if we take it out like so. Okay, so there's the first piece. I'm assuming that is the film. Your instruction guide on how to fit. It's really weird, you have to take the bottom piece off too. Like you'd have to undo the bottom piece to get to the bottom side because it's yeah, that's really strange. There's a bit in the middle there, I don't know whether you can see that, but it's stopping you getting to that bottom piece, so you've got to undo the bottom piece to get to the bottom side of it. And then little tiny box, nothing else inside this box right here, so we'll place that to one side. Let's take a look at what you get in this one. Okay, so you get a little corner adapter tool, you get a squeegee, you get a little small microfiber and some dust removal stickers, but no wipe. And then inside the film one, 2 front screen protectors, and they are for the Fold 4. So let's go ahead and let's go and get this fitted. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to fold your fold out like so. You're going to get your corner piece, you're going to peel these bits off, and you're basically going to stick it to the side of the phone like so. So we're going to do that right now. I'll take that piece off, take the long piece off, and you got like sticky pads just underneath right here. And then what you're going to do is attach it to the corner, so it's nice and held down, nice and secure. Okay, so next up what you're going to do is you're going to take your little tiny microfiber and you're going to give the screen a good going over, get rid of all the dust and your fingerprints, etc. Get them all off the front of the screen. Okay, then you're going to take one of your dust removal stickers, you're going to peel it off like so, and you're just going to go over the screen as best you can and take off any little bits of debris, any bits of dust that may have landed. Then you're going to take your screen protector, you're going to remove part 1 like so. You're going to place it over so the holes line up like so. Let it lay flat. You're going to take your squeegee and you're going to go across that middle line. Make sure it's nice and on there properly. Then what you're going to do is you're going to lift up part 2, put your squeegee in the middle, and you're going to go up. So what you're going to do is you're going to have this popping out, and you're going to push up until that pops off. And then you're going to maybe turn it so it's facing you. You're going to pop it off this like so, peel it back, and then run the squeegee all the way down until it pops like so. Okay, then you can remove this. If you think you may have air bubbles, squeegee them all out. But again, don't forget you've got like a protective film on the front right here that you can also take off. Then when you peel it back, fingers crossed, it may just, hopefully it'll just all be. Peel it off like so. I've got a couple of air bubbles here that I'm going to have to force out. Okay, and there we go, all nice and fitted. If I turn the screen on, there you go, feels good. Still feels like the glass you're touching, doesn't feel like you're touching a screen protector, and it looks nice and crystal clear too. So that's really, really good. So that's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You do get 2 in the box. In case you make a mistake on your first one, you still get all your tools and stuff that you can carry on using. You know, your dust removal sticker, you get 2 of those. This, I'm assuming, if you still put the sticky stuff back on, will still remain nice and sticky to attach to your phone in case you do end up needing it, like so. So you just attach it back to that, and there you go, all nice and fitted. Okay, so now that's all nice and done, that's nice and fitted, it looks good. I have got one air bubble just in the centre right there, but if I squeegee it, it will come out. So imagine if I just keep on at it, it will just unbubble itself and I'll have no bubbles on my screen. But as you can see, looks good. Turn the screen on, nice and crystal clear, feels nice. I mean, it's not going to protect against any drops or whatever, but it will protect against any scratches, especially from cases when they're sliding about if you haven't stuck them down like I haven't. For £9, you can't go far wrong. I will leave links in the description down below to where you can pick this up for yourself. The problem I had, the blue things at the back, when you squeegee them down, they're meant to run along and then pop off at the end. Mine seem to be really stuck down to the screen, so keep that in mind and just make sure you do it right. And as I say, you do get another one in the box in case you make a mistake or that happens to you. But I've managed to get it fitted, got all the air bubbles out apart from one lonely air bubble, which will be gone by the end of today, I guarantee it, because I will just keep on at it. But for £9, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm happy my screen is going to stay scratch free and it looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to leave links in the description down below to where you can pick yours up for yourself. It will be through Samsung's website and eventually Amazon when Amazon finally get them into stock. I'll fit a case just so you guys can see. So we'll go ahead and fit the leather case. We'll fit the back first, like so. So there's the leather case. And then we'll go ahead and we'll fit the front. Magnets on this are so good, they're so strong. There we go. There is the leather case, all fitted with the new screen protector, which looks absolutely fantastic. As you can see, the reflection right there looks really good. I'll leave links in the description down below to where you can pick this up for yourself, along with everything else you've seen in the videos. Playlist is linked in the description down below and right here for you guys to check out. If there's anything you want to see with the Fold 4, let me know in the comment section. I've got my 1 week review coming out in the next couple of days or so, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on so you don't miss future uploads from this channel just like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, stay safe.
Start it up.